Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to put like kits onto people when they die or respawn or something like that. So let's get straight into this. Hey guys, I'm sorry for interrupting, but I really want you guys to subscribe and like. You don't have to, but we really appreciate it. I'm trying to get to 100 or 1,000 subscribers at least, so I can like start doing more different type of content, like PvP content or helping out with realms content, just like different type of content than other than commands, you know what I mean? But I really do appreciate those people that were liking my comments. In the comments, some guy said I'm next up or something like that. I really appreciate it so much. But if you guys really do like my videos, please go ahead and like, subscribe. I'm done wasting your time. Let's get right on off the video. So the first command would be stop sound at all, level equals 0. So it stops all the sound that are surrounding them, and it's just a starting command. I like to have it when I start my commands that are long like this. And the other chain command, make sure it's conditional too. So that all the chain commands have to be conditional, and these are the first one has to be unconditional, repeating. Now this one right here is slash replace entity at player. So the player that's at level 0, the L equals 0, level at 0. So that means when they die, levels equals 0, slot.armor.chest 1 iron _ chest plate. So it replaces their chest with an iron chest plate. And same thing here, but you have to put head in an iron helmet or diamond helmet, netherite helmet, whatever you guys want. And same thing here, just legs and leggings, iron leggings. Same thing. Same thing here, boots, feet, you gotta have the feet. And then right here is when it gets kind of like confusing. So you gotta really pay attention. Replace entity at players at level 0, so when they die, slot.hotbar 0 iron _ sword. So your first like this thing right here with the command block in my hand, that's my number 0, but it's my first one. You know what I mean? It really makes no sense, but it's basically your first one. So 0 is your first one, 1 is your second one. So let's go here, bow at your second slot, but you have to put 1. You have to put 1 because I don't know why they did that. I genuinely don't know why they did that. Same thing over here. This one's different. Give at P level equals 0. So when they die, they get golden apples 5. Make sure to put a number. We're just gonna repeatedly give it to them, and make sure it's conditional because once this goes off, this is immediately gonna go off and stop that. Same thing for all of them. So give golden apples. Same thing here. Give at player level equals 0. Splash potion 322. You can look up the ID numbers for the splash potions on Minecraft Wikipedia. That's why I found them at, because I'm not a genius. I don't know where to find those. I don't have them all in my head. Same thing here. Okay. Same thing here. You know, arrows. Everyone needs arrows if you have a bow. Splash _ potion 115. Different ID. Pretty sure that's either swiftness or regeneration. I don't know. Fishing rod 1. All these are just give commands. And then this is very important. XP level 30 at player level equals 0. So once all this is happening, this gives them 30 levels. So you know they can't lose any levels doing this. I mean they can lose levels, but if you're making a kit PvP or something like that, or you know you're making a sky gen, give them 1,000,000 levels. Give them just 1,000,000 levels, because you don't want them dying over or losing their stuff because of these commands. X level 30 at player. So we went over that. Last one is stop sound at player level equals 0. Like I said, I love to do this at the end of all my commands. It sounds so good. Let me show you guys this one more time, okay? Slash game mode S, okay. Show this one more time. Slash give, wow, kill at self. All my stuff is gone. But I TP back to spawn with a very good iron kit, very good potions and everything. So if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. If you fall into any issues, please let me know, and I'll get in a personal call if you and try fixing it and helping you with you. So please like. Thank you.